Hi everyone, this is Verlakshmi. Today I am going to show you a traditional recipe called Anapakaya Payasam or Sorakaya Payasam, Bottlegourd kheer. To make this item, we need Bottlegourd, rice, chana dal, milk, jaggery, ghee, dry fruits, ilachi and pinch of salt. Dry fruits are optional. Let's start the process. First we need to soak the rice and chana dal after cleaning, and we had to heat the milk. I have taken around 250 grams rice and half liter milk, and we need to add milk into a bowl and half liter milk, and we can add half liter water. We have to heat them. After that, we have to chop the bottlegourd into small slices. I have taken around 250 grams. We generally use the round shape bottlegourd to make this item. If you take the tender one, the taste was good. We have to chop the pieces like this, and after that we need to cook it in the low flame without adding water, like this. Milk was boiling. In the meanwhile, we need to do as the small slices jaggery. I have taken a stone to make this. Just we need to do like this. Milk was boiled. Now we can add soaked rice to it. After that, we need to mix it properly. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to cook the rice. Now bottlegourd pieces are cooked. We need to add to the rice. After that, we need to mix it well. Meanwhile, we can prepare the jaggery soup. To make this, just we need to add little amount of water and we need to cook it on the low flame until all pieces are melted. Rice was cooked now. We can add the jaggery soup to it. Need to mix it well after adding the jaggery soup. Now we can add the ilachi powder. After that, we need to fry the cashew and the dried grapes with ghee. Finally, adding pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon ghee. We need to mix it finally. So tasty and healthy Bottlegourd Payasam is ready to serve. Hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please share your opinion and share it. Thank you for watching.